10 jobs AI will replace first in 2026, and the smartest people are already preparing. Artificial intelligence is no longer coming for jobs someday. It's happening right now. Across banking, customer service, coding, retail, healthcare, media, and administration, companies are rapidly restructuring around AI systems that can work faster, cheaper, and 24 hours a day without breaks. And according to reports from firms like Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, and the World Economic Forum, millions of jobs worldwide are expected to be heavily disrupted this decade, with 2026 becoming one of the biggest acceleration years so far. But here's the important part. This video is not about fear. It's about preparation. Because while some jobs are shrinking fast, entirely new opportunities are also being created for people who understand how to work with AI instead of against it. Today, we're breaking down the 10 jobs AI is most likely to replace or dramatically reshape in 2026, and what you should be doing right now to stay ahead. Let's begin. 10 data entry clerks, starting at number 10. Data entry clerks. This is one of the clearest examples of work that AI automates extremely well. Modern AI systems can now scan documents, extract information, categorize records, process forms, and update databases almost instantly with very high accuracy. What once required entire administrative teams can now be handled by a few AI-powered workflows supervised by a single employee. Industries like insurance, logistics, healthcare, banking, and government administration are already aggressively reducing repetitive data processing roles. The reality is simple. If a task is repetitive, rule-based, and predictable, AI is becoming very good at it. 9 receptionists and administrative, up. Receptionists and basic administrative assistants. AI scheduling systems can already manage calendars, organize meetings, send reminders, summarize emails, and coordinate workflows automatically. Voice AI is also becoming surprisingly human-like. Some companies are already deploying AI reception systems capable of greeting visitors, answering common questions, routing calls, and managing appointments without human staff at the front desk. Now to be clear, high-level executive assistants who manage relationships, negotiations, and complex coordination still provide enormous value. But routine, administrative support roles are becoming increasingly automated. 8 payroll and bookkeeping clerks, at number 8. Payroll and bookkeeping clerks. AI accounting tools are evolving incredibly fast. Software platforms can now automatically track expenses, generate invoices, reconcile transactions, process payroll, flag anomalies, and even assist with tax preparation. Small businesses especially are shifting toward AI-assisted financial management because it dramatically reduces operational costs. Human accountants are still essential for strategy, audits, and complex financial decisions. But basic bookkeeping tasks are becoming heavily automated. 7 customer service representatives. Routine customer service roles are also under major pressure. AI chatbots and voice agents can now handle huge volumes of repetitive support requests instantly. Password resets, order tracking, refund requests, basic troubleshooting, scheduling, account verification. These systems don't sleep, don't get tired, and can manage thousands of conversations simultaneously. That's why many companies are redesigning customer support teams around a hybrid model. AI handles routine cases, while humans focus on emotional, sensitive, or highly complex interactions. 6 telemarketers and basic sales reps, at number 6. Telemarketers and script-based sales representatives. This category is especially vulnerable because AI systems are becoming highly effective at structured conversations. Modern AI voice agents can personalize pitches, answer objections, qualify leads, and follow sales scripts at massive scale. For companies, the economics are hard to ignore. Instead of hearing large outbound call teams, businesses can deploy AI systems that work continuously at a fraction of the cost. But relationship-driven sales, especially enterprise negotiation and trust building, still remain strongly human. 5 cashiers and retail clerks. Number 5. Cashiers and basic retail clerks. This transformation has been building for years, but AI and computer vision are accelerating it dramatically. Self-checkout systems are now smarter. Inventory tracking is automated. AI cameras monitor shelves in real time. And cashier-less stores are becoming more viable. Retail companies are under enormous pressure to reduce labor costs while improving efficiency. That means fewer workers handling repetitive checkout and inventory tasks. However, stores that prioritize customer experience, luxury service, and human interaction will still rely heavily on people. 4 bank tellers and financial clerks. At number 4. Bank tellers and routine financial clerks. Digital banking has already reduced physical branch traffic worldwide. Now AI is accelerating the shift further. Customers increasingly use mobile banking apps, AI-powered financial assistants, automated fraud systems, and smart customer support tools. Routine transactions that once required a physical teller are increasingly handled digitally within seconds. Banks are now restructuring around automation, cybersecurity, AI compliance systems, and digital financial infrastructure. 3 low-complexity content writers. At number 3. Routine content writers. Generative AI can now produce SEO articles, product descriptions, email drafts, social media captions, basic scripts, summaries, and marketing copy extremely quickly. This is already reshaping media, advertising, and digital marketing industries. But here's the nuance many people miss. AI is strongest at average content. The creators who still win are the ones with unique insight, storytelling ability, strong personality, deep expertise, and authentic human perspective. In other words, generic content is becoming automated. Exceptional content is becoming more valuable. 2 junior coders and basic programmers. At number 2. Junior programmers and repetitive coding roles. AI coding tools have improved at an astonishing pace. Modern systems can now generate functions, debug software, explain code, build interfaces, write documentation, and even deploy basic applications. For experienced developers, AI acts like a productivity multiplier. But for entry-level coding jobs focused mainly on repetitive implementation tasks, competition is becoming much tougher. The value is shifting toward system design, architecture, problem solving, security, and human creativity. 1 medical transcriptionists and routine data analysts. And at number 1. Medical transcriptionists and routine data analysts. Speech recognition AI has become incredibly accurate. Doctors can now dictate notes directly into AI systems that automatically structure medical records, generate summaries, and organize documentation. At the same time, AI analytics tools can process huge data sets, generate visualizations, identify trends, and create reports in seconds. This doesn't eliminate experts entirely, but it does dramatically reduce the amount of manual analytical and transcription work needed. The bigger picture. Now here's the most important part of this entire conversation. Most experts do not believe AI will simply eliminate all work. Instead, AI is expected to reshape work. Some jobs will disappear. Many jobs will evolve. And entirely new industries will emerge. We're already seeing demand grow for AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI safety specialists, automation consultants, human AI workflow designers, and AI operations managers. The people most at risk are not necessarily those with low intelligence, but those who refuse to adapt. So here's my advice after decades watching technology transform industries. Don't panic. Prepare. Learn AI tools. Develop uniquely human skills. Understand automation. Build creativity, communication, leadership, and strategic thinking. Because the future will not belong to people who compete against AI. It will belong to people who learn how to direct it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more AI updates and future tech analysis. And tell me in the comments, which job on this list surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.